Hello, my name is Brandon Savage. I'm an instructor in the College of Business here at KState University. I spent my first 2 decades of my career in industry and worked in operations and technology and customer experience before I kind of accidentally ended up teaching in higher ed and found that I really enjoyed it. And I had an opportunity to be able to share the things that I learned in industry with students. Over the last few years, I've had the opportunity to speak to a lot of different groups and a lot of different communities about business, about generative AI, and I always enjoy the opportunity to learn how people in Kansas communities are already using AI and to show them some of the cool things that we found that it can do to help them individually and to help them in careers. And I look forward to the opportunity to come and speak with your group and share what I've learned with you.